Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are talking about Walgreens, the best paper deals until Saturday the 9th of August. So there's lots of magic in this. We're going to be looking at 2 deals curbside and 1 deal in store in this video for the cheapest paper. I know a lot of us are stocking up on paper right now. I just think it's a smart thing to do. So specifically, the curbside deals, you are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Okay, deal number 1. This one is done curbside. You need your 2 best friends loaded, the 15 back when you spend 45 and the 9 back when you spend 40. The 9 back when you spend 40 is of a one-time use. So if you haven't used it on your account, you can certainly do this deal. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these massive Charmin Mega XL rolls for $21.99. We have a $3 digital attaching to one. You can either get it in strong or soft. Here's your digital coupon that you're going to load. Now, the next 2 items we're going to grab are all paper towel heavy. It's the fancier stuff too. 1 of the green bounties and then 2 of the essentials for $9.98. Just to show you, using the code AUG20, $10.20 melting off along with our $3 coupon. Now this is where it gets really nerdy with the math. It is $63.95 subtracting $10.20. The $3 digital, we're exactly at a $50 mark before tax. We are getting back $24.60 in Walgreens cash. You have to pay debit card, credit card for the balance. After you pick up the item, you'll be awarded the Walgreens cash. Then you're going to take that receipt, go to the site P&G Good Every Day, photograph your receipt, and apply for a $15 gift card when you spend $50 and you've hit that. So it makes this $11.25 for the 5 items or $2.25 per unit. That's a very good deal. The next deal that we're looking at is just with this guy, which is the 9 back when you spend 40. And you guessed it, we're going to go for a whole lot of the Walgreens brand paper towels and toilet papers. So we are going to be grabbing 15. There's a $1.50 off digital coupon. Here it is. It isn't like a buy one, get one 50% off or anything like that. It just applies to every single one. Using the code AUG20, you're saving $10.50, and then with that magical coupon, $22.50 is melting off. So that is a lot of magic right there. So the overall total is $75, subtracting $33, we're at $42. So for the spend 40, earn back 9, you are right there. With tax, you're going to spend $44.52 with your debit card, and then get back $12.75. And not a bad little deal. It basically shakes it out to like $1.93-ish per unit. If you're going to do this one, please go and pick up the paper right away. It's going to take a huge amount of room at the curbside area at your store, so make sure that you go right away. The last deal that we're looking at is specifically in store. We're going to be grabbing 4 of the P&G paper products that are $4.99 and part of the buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And Puffs is part of this as well. So you have Charmin, Bounty, or Puffs with this specific tag. Earn a $5 register reward when you buy 4 of them. And then we're going to pick up 3 of these $3.50 Crest products. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Now, all of these items are part of a spend 30 in store, get back a $10 register reward. Okay, so we're in store. 4 paper products for $19.96, the P&G paper products. 3 Crest or Oral-B products at $3.50 a pop for $10.50. The total is $30.46. You have 1 5 off of 3 digital coupon melting off. Now here's the thing, $25.46, use $20 in Walgreens cash or pay the full amount, whatever you want to do. But if you're doing it with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash for this one. You're getting back $20 in register rewards. You have a 10 for spending 30 on P&G, a 5 for paper, and a 5 for Crest. It makes it $5.46 for the 7 items or 78 cents each. Again, you're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use up to $20 in Walgreens cash. This register reward has a very quick expiry date, like 3 days out, and you cannot roll it from transaction 1 to transaction 2. A second one will not print in transaction 2 for $30 of PNG products. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.